Why did the wolf cross the road? Because he was chasing the chicken. Alright, this here is a continuation of the last video basically. So now that we've wrote our equations, we've got our variables defined, now we're going to solve the system. Okay, then directions say to solve the system using linear combinations or elimination. So let's do it. We can get rid of x or y, it really doesn't matter. I'll just go ahead and get rid of x. So in order to get rid of the x, the second equation needs to be multiplied by 2. And we're going to have to multiply it by -2 because otherwise they won't cancel. So we get 2x plus 3y equals 16. And then we get -2x minus 2y equals -14. Step 2 is to just go ahead and add the two equations, so we get y equals 2. And so then that means step 3 is already done because there's nothing else to do. So now we're going to step 4, where we're going to plug in the 2 into y. The second equation is the easiest one to use because it's the smallest numbers. So we get x plus 2 equals 7. We'll subtract 2 from both sides. You get x equals 5. And so our step 5, our ordered pair, is going to be 5, 2. But there's more to this problem because this problem is asking a question. It says how many kiwi and how many passion fruit did they buy? So okay, so Mario and Luigi bought 5 kiwi and 2 passion fruit. And that's how we solve systems using or solve problem situations using linear combination. So as we always do, this is going to be a continuation of the last problem as well, although I got some funky labeling here. I have x and y labeled over here, but then I have c and l over there. So let's just label c the number of Chromebooks and l is the number of laptops. So you're going to go ahead and solve this system on your own and then check to see how you did. Alright, so hopefully you decided to multiply by -200, though you could have multiplied by -500 and still worked it out. When you multiply by -200, the c cancels out and the l has 300 in front of it, and then the other side is 600, and then you divide by 300 and you get l equals 2. You plug that back into the second equation, because again those are the small numbers, and you get c plus 2 equals 8, and then you subtract 2 from both sides and you get c equals 6. The ordered pair is 6, 2, but remember it's a word problem and they said how many Chromebooks and laptops did Computers R Us sell. So Computers R Us sold 6 Chromebooks and 2 laptops last week. And that is how we solve problem situations using linear combination.